Hey everyone, I am back at the light fixture again. There was something that was bothering me about this, and some of my viewers actually pointed out as well the fact that there's this gap here. So I came back to fix it because it's just now I don't feel comfortable leaving something, for lack of a better term, half-assed. So let's take this down and see what's going on. I think I actually have an idea what it is. It looks like the box is not sitting flush to the ceiling. Because this side is tight, this side is not. So let's unscrew this and take a look. Okay, so here's what I found. The box was an old work box, and it's got these little screw-based tabs on it that when you turn the screw will rotate out to help pull the box into place. Looks like we've got a plaster with drywall over it, and so it made for an extra thick, and I think this wasn't fully seated, so that might be what happened. So I'm going to try and get this fitted in there so that way these will actually catch the top of the thickness of the ceiling, and that way I can actually get it to pull itself up as I tighten the screws. All right, safety glasses. I'm dealing with overhead and drywall dust. I don't want to get it at my eyes, so always make sure you're careful around that. So let's see what I can do here to get this guy properly anchored. Yeah, that's a little better. Now it's flush. Now I just have to make sure it actually anchors up. There we go. So what you do is when you turn it, it's supposed to rotate those out, and then the screw will pull it down tight. Problem is I'm doing it blind because it's, you know, up there. There we go. Feeling it tighten up. Okay. And that seems to be snug on the ceiling. So I think we're okay now. And I'll put our plate back on. That's on. Now I'll just double check, make sure the wire nuts are still secure. As I did in the last time, tuck these back in. So these are actually butting up against the plate, so that way they should not have any incentive to pop out. It's still going to be sitting down a bit, and that's with the hole lined up. I think what it is this plate really wants to sit flush with the ceiling. I use this grinder bit. All right, there we go. So you can see it's a little tighter to the ceiling now. I ended up having to do kind of like a J channel there because the metal is just so thin. And I also noticed too, the diameter of this is probably about a ½ inch larger than the diameter of the mounting plate. So this has to like scrunch in under pressure of the screws. Not my idea of a well-designed light, but what are you gonna do? But anyway, the gap is a lot better. All right, so another example of my viewers giving feedback, pointing something out, and I can go and make an improvement or make a correction. The owner of the house was like, "Yeah, don't worry about it," and it was just bothering me, and it was obviously bothering you, the viewers, as well. So it's been corrected. Looks better now, at least in my opinion. So I think we're good on this one. So till the next video, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Till the next video, see you later.